So today we are going to draw the indexing guide, and for this one, this will be the our front view, and we are going to draw front view and the side view. So for this one, here you can see this all is a circular shape. So its radius is given 2.5. So first we have to draw this circular shape, and then we have to draw these lines. So its radius is 2.5. Go to new. So we should uh, show template and make sure you are in the part, and then go to circle and center radius circle, and this one has 2.5. Okay, radius is 2.5, and just make it, zoom it, and now here you can see these lines we have to draw. So this one and this one, and here you can see it's 1.25 from the center point. So we have to draw a straight line like that from the center point, and we have to make it offset 1.25, and also here same thing we have. So from the center till this point we have 1.25. So I'm going to draw a line, and for this line first we have to drag this center point like that, and then draw a line like that. So just drag the center point and draw this line, and no offset, 1.12, 1.25. So it's 1.25. So like that, and also like that on this side and on this side. And again we have to draw a line from the center point. Just drag this one, this green is showing it's tracking this center point, and then draw a straight line. And same thing, offset 1.25 on this direction and on this direction. Okay, so this middle one we can delete it, and also this middle one we can delete it, and then just we have to trim these extended lines like that. And also here you can see this circular portion and this portion we also don't needed it, and I am also going to trim this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, next what we have, next again, we have from this point, the center point till this point we have this one, and it's telling us like the total is 3. So 1.5 till this point, and 1 point from this point to this point, and same thing, this is 3 from this point to this point, and from the middle it will be 1.5. So again we have to draw a line, so a line like that and a line like that, which we can move it in that way. So and from, for this one it's 0.5. Okay, so again we needed a line. So for this one I'm taking the center point, and again for this one I'm going to drag this center point. So when you go to circle it show the center point, and then just drag it and draw it like that. Okay, so for this one it should be 0.25. So 0.25 and 0.25 and 0.25 in this direction, and offset 0.25 in this direction. Okay, and next thing we needed 1.5 from this center to this point. So 1.5, this middle line like that, and 1.5 like that, and 1.5 like that, and 1.5 like that. So now we have a lot of lines. Just have to make sure which one you are going to trim. I'm just first trimming the outside of it like that. And these center lines we also don't needed it, so I'm going to trim it. And next, this line is the cut line, so I'm going to just remove this one, and remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then if you see which we needed and which we don't needed, so till this point we needed and these lines we needed and rest of internal we don't needed it. So just hold and click and like that, and here we can see that's what we needed, like that. Okay, all the internal lines we don't needed it. So now we have this shape. Rest we have to draw the circles. These two circle, it's 1.25 and 2.25. So center circle, and this will be the center, and first is 2.25, and then we have a circle again, this center point, and it is 1.25, like that. So this front portion we just draw it. Now we needed to make it a side of this one. So for the side, we just have to activate the projection one layer. So we can draw the projection line. So from this point till this point, straight line, and also from this point or from this point, also a straight line, like that. And then go to part and draw a line, a straight line. I just have to trim this extended portion, and we have to see its thickness. It is 1, and then this one is 0.75. Okay, so just so first one is 1, like that, and again we have 0.75, like that. Okay, and for this 0.75, this line, we have to make a projection. So make sure this center is deactivated and quadrant is activated. So like that, a projection line till this point and a projection line till this point, like that. And make sure you are in the part layer now, and line tool and till this point, and again repeat line from this to this point. And this projection one, I am going to hide it and draw a line like that, and again a line from this point to this point, and trim. So this portion we don't needed it. So like that we just draw it. Next we have to see what we can see and what we cannot see from the this right side view. Okay, so I'm going to go to projection tool and then line tool, and this circular hole we cannot see it. So from here to this point, and then repeat line and projection it on this one. So this circle will be hidden. So line tool and draw it like that, and from here to this point, like that. Okay, next what we cannot see and what we can see. So if you see it from this side, the right side, here this one we will see a edge on this point. So I'm going to go to projection 2 and draw just the edges which we can see. We are going to see this edge, we are going to see this edge. So make sure when you are tracking, and we can also see like this edge, this edge we are also going to see it. So this edge, and this edge we are also going to see it, and this edge we are going to see it. So just drag till this point, and this edge we can see it. So all of these edges which we can see it. Then we have to draw the part line for this one. So for this one till this point, and this edge we can see it till this point, make sure it's straight. And then for this one, this edge, we can see it from this point to this point, and this one just drag it from this point to this point, we can see it. Not on here because it's this cut is here, so that's why it's on between this tab and between this tab. Again, line tool, from here to here we can see it, and again from here to here we can see it. Okay, so all of these edges which we can see it. So if I am going to deactivate this one, it will be look like that. No, some of the edges on the other side we cannot see it. For example, this edge and this edge, we cannot see it from this one. This is going to lie on here, and this one is lying on here. So it is not important on this side. These can be hidden, but it will be on these lines which we already tried. So if I am going to activate projection 3, we have to project this line till this point, and we have to activate this line till this point, and then we have to go to hidden lines, and these will be hidden. Okay, and just deactivate the projection 3. So this drawing is complete. Next, what we is left, we just have to draw the center lines. So go to center line and annotate, and center point we have to draw for this one, and then center line between this and this, and center line will be also between this and this, like that. So and this is the drawing. It's complete. Just we have to put the dimension. So activate the dimension layer, and here I'm just going to put its radius, its diameter, like that, and then dimension from here to the center line, and from this point to this dimension, like that, and then dimension between this point and this point. This dimension we have to show. I'm going to delete this dimension. I'm going to put it here so it will not cross. And also dimension, so between this line and this, and also between this line and this dimension. And then we have to put this dimension, it is 1, and this dimension and this dimension, it's 7.5. So this design is also completed. Just see what is left. So also this one and this one is left. So it's complete. Thank you so much.